Today, we're exploring the forgotten mountaintop and historic rugged terrain of Waterbury, Connecticut. Welcome to remote viewing the abandoned theme park HolyLand USA. What's up, everybody? Thanks for checking out another episode of Remote Viewing. We're in Connecticut, checking out at my hotel, having a little bit of morning coffee. I wanted to find a special place to remote view for you guys, so I've been doing some research and I think I got a nice one. I'm looking for like an abandoned spot to go to up in Connecticut. So if you guys could do me a favor and hit that subscribe button if you like what you're seeing, if this is your second video you're watching of ours, I promise you that if you subscribe, I'm gonna make an effort to make these videos better and we're gonna find even cooler locations to go. All right, lighting looks great. We got some great clouds. I think no better time than now. Let's head out and hope you guys enjoy remote viewing HolyLand USA. Some real American shit right here. All right, we're here and we're able to pull up to the gate and walk in. We might just take off right from here. I don't think we're gonna have to go anywhere else. But let's walk around, see everything first. It's really cool. It's like a little city on a hill. HolyLand USA was made in the 50s by John Baptiste Greco. He was born up here in Waterbury, Connecticut, but spent some time in Italy as a boy, and Italians were fond of making like little nativity scenes. So he kind of picked that up when he was in Italy. So he built HolyLand as a replica. You got scenes of Bethlehem, Jerusalem. Dude, he built this whole thing out of like just raw material, random material. Supposedly one of the buildings, just like an old water heater, he put like cement around it. Yeah, like look at this one. It's like plaster on the outside, but in the inside, it's just like wood. So Jesus meets his mother. Jesus is helped by Simon. These are all stations of the cross, why Jesus was carrying the cross. Let's go up here and see how far this goes. Jesus is laid in the tomb. It's cool. It's like a visual representation of Christ's life on like a mountaintop kind of landscape where you can picture it as it looked in the early days of where Jesus grew up. Be kind of like an educational experience as well as a religious. When we get it on drone, it should look really cool. Like it'll have this like weird, like, is that miniature, is that big kind of effect? I don't even know. So when I was coming here, I looked up a New York Times article from 1984, which is when this place closed down. It says that John Baptiste Greco picked this area because it looked like modern day Palestine. That's what he said. I should go in here and get any ticks right now. Should I do it? Should I do it for y'all? Here we go. Yes, we're doing it. The cross is up here. Wow, that's sick. Let's check this out for a sec. It's like a little clearing. was so much here. There was like some catacombs he built. It's been closed for 41 years now, but now it's just kind of like open to the public. We can walk in here, check it out. I can't wait to fly around this cross. This is kind of cool. Honestly, a pretty cool story. He just wanted to tell like the visual story of like Christ's history, kind of like a walkthrough museum, outdoor walkthrough museum. As you can see, got a whole 360 view around here, and that's the reason he chose this site, was because it kind of mimicked the rocky terrain of the Holy Land, you know, where Bethlehem and Jerusalem is today. So in its heyday, this place was rivaling the newly opened Disney World, if you can believe that. I don't know if one day they're gonna end up getting rid of it, so we just want to capture it by air today. All right, here we go. About to remote view HolyLand USA. We're in the air. Wow, that looks sick. Look at that, it's just like I said. Let's go up a little further so we're clear of all the trees. Let's just get a clear shot. Let's like, before we figure out how to do anything intricate. So that's the whole Holy Land. Got the crosses on the hill, everything. Got that steep dirt path on the right that I went up to. The only thing I didn't do is like go right up here onto these rocks. That's cool. I still can't believe that thing that John Baptiste Greco said in the New York Times article in the 80s, that he wanted it to look like Palestine. Can't get over that. So, if you understand the significance of that, it's interesting. Okay, so this is Waterbury, Connecticut. Streets like right around Holy Land were like a little dilapidated, but like this looks like a nice suburban area. Okay. What can we do here? I think the move is to do these like low sweeping shots of everything. But first, let's get to that cross. Oh man, there's the HolyLand USA sign. I didn't even know that was over there. Check that out, that's iconic too. That I've seen online when you look this place up. Wow. Yeah, this place is small. I mean, I'm only not even 800 feet away yet. I'm already on the other side of the park. Yeah, I think we're gonna dip down towards the Holy Land sign. Keep an eye on our reception. We're still good. There we go, we got the HolyLand USA sign, we got the cross. Let's see, we're gonna get this in a different clip. I'm gonna make sure this area is pretty open, so this is what we're gonna do. Make sure no one's over here. Then we're gonna dip down low and get that HolyLand sign and come up and reveal the cross. Get like a dip down shot. Just make sure we're good again here. That's it right there. I mean, look at that. Wow, okay. Got a little brighter too, so that's good actually. That's what we want. And this is what we're gonna get right here. This is the shot. Here we go, ready? I'm gonna push up. There's people there, but that looks cool still. And we'll do a little 360 wraparound of the cross now. Everyone over there could probably hear it. That's fine. That looks sick. Okay, we got our 360 shot. Even got the highway. Alright, sick. We got the HolyLand USA shot. We got the cross 360 shot. All that's left is like the low swooping shots of the everything on the hill. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Let's go over here. We'll get a shot of Waterbury as we're flying over here. That's beautiful. Alright, here's what we're going to do. We're going to set ourselves up here. I should be able to just fly between that gap right there. So let's try that. We're going to fly in like this. I can see it in front of me when it's flying in. Just got to watch out for these wires. Be fine. Got this. I see it. We're just gonna fly right up to the edge of this little hillside here. Let's see. There's no one in that area. No one's gonna climb up there or anything, so this looks cool. This is how I think he kind of envisioned it, like this. That's a really cool shot. We'll see like the hillside, we'll see the cross, and we'll creep up and then reveal the cross. And I'm gonna go all the way down and do a 360 wraparound around the cross, and then reveal Waterbury. Whew. That was a mouthful, but that's, just had that idea and I'm going for it. Let's see. Trying to kind of speed up a little bit. Man, if this thing was still up and running and I got hired to do drone shots, this would look really cool. I'm like pushing the drone so hard, it like kind of like stuttered there a bit. That was a cool shot. I'm gonna stop it there. see what else we can get here. Yeah, where was I walking before? I went down this way over here, and there was like some stuff in the trees. Let's see if I could zoom in and get those. Like all these rocky areas here. I feel like we're something. And this is where I was before. The Tower of Babel. Oh yeah, that's it. Oh, there it is. I wonder if there's any more like hidden in here. I mean, this highway was built right there, and that kind of messed up the redeveloping and the just the tourism of this place. I mean, look at that. That's cool. But I wonder if this cliffside was used for anything else. I mean, it's all overgrown now. Over there, I want to get this. I want to get this area from this angle. Yeah, wow, look at that. I mean, he bought this, I think it was 18 acres of land. He bought this like entire acreage here, all on a mountaintop, just to build HolyLand USA. It's pretty cool. And the cross still sits atop the mountain today. The highway on one side, and then the rest of the park on the other. Okay, I'm just gonna do something cool where I fly right alongside the cross, just like almost like the closest I can to going through it, but yeah, that was sick. Wow, that was a really cool site. HolyLand USA. Always been interested in like filming like closed down parks or abandoned parks. There's always abandoned hospitals. People know what those look like. They always look like big brick buildings, but it's really cool to see like an overgrown park like that, like an outdoor park. If you know anything more about John Baptiste Greco or HolyLand USA, or any interesting facts about that area, about Waterbury, Connecticut, drop a line in the comments, give us some more info. Also leave us a comment, let us know where you're watching from, especially if you're watching internationally. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, stick around, watch some more remote viewing episodes.